How to hide your private photos and videos on Google Photos. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So watch this video till the very end to know how you can do it. So very firstly, go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can search for the Google Photos. Make sure you have updated the latest version of Google Photos so that you won't miss out any new features as well. So after you have updated it, make sure you have also logged into your Google account in the Google Photos. Now you can simply open your Google Photos as it is. You will see there are many options on the down bar like photos, memories, collections, and search. Now what you need to do is tap on the collection option and scroll down. When you scroll to the very down option, you will see many options right here. Now what you need to do is tap on the locked option. When you tap on the lock option, tap on the fingerprint or face option. I'll tap on the fingerprint and choose my fingerprint. You can also choose the password or pin. Now when you tap on the move items right here, the photos on your Google Photos, all the gallery photos will be visible on your screen. Now you can select some photos and move it to this move it on this locked folder and save it right here. And whenever you want to log into your locked folder, again go to the very collection option, scroll down to the locked option, enter your fingerprint, pin or password, and you can see and view all the photos or videos here. So that's how you can save your private photos and videos. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.